Hey, what's up guys? Jeremy Vinny here. Today we're unboxing and setting up something quite unique. This is the Hansshow Tesla Box, a device that adds Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capabilities to Tesla vehicles. For Tesla owners who have been yearning for these popular features, your solution might just be in this box. We're going to walk through the setup process with an Android phone, but it works similarly with Apple CarPlay. First, let's see what we've got in the box. We've got 3 items in here. The interconnect box. This is the main hub and heart of the operation. USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. Pretty straightforward here for connecting devices that both have USB Type-C ports. There's also a USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable for those devices with an older USB port. Looking at the interconnect box, it has a power interface that uses USB Type-C, a red power light indicator, and a green light indicator that signals a normal state. If it starts flashing, it means the system is upgrading. Now let's dive into the setup. First, we'll start by connecting the box to our Android phone. To power up the device, we need to connect via Bluetooth to TSL98K2, or a number in a similar format. Next, let's connect the box to our Tesla. In order to do this, the Tesla's onboard system needs to connect to the box's Wi-Fi hotspot. On the Wi-Fi connection interface of the Tesla screen, you'll see the hotspot name TSL and some number. Select this and enter the initial password, which is 1234678. Ensure that you check the option that says remain connected in Drive in the Wi-Fi settings. Once you've connected, you'll want to open the Tesla browser. This is where things get interesting. Input the box's domain name, which is www.zbox.link. Then click on the favorites button on the right to add the domain name to your favorites. This will make it easy to return next time when you want to use Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Lastly, to get your phone audio to play through the car speakers, connect your phone to the Tesla Bluetooth system. The good thing is, once these connections are established, they will be remembered next time as long as the box is connected. And there you have it, the Hansshow Tesla Box successfully set up for Android Auto. It's a bit of a process, but it's a one-time setup that adds some excellent functionality to your Tesla. Just imagine the seamless navigation and music experience you'd be enjoying after all these steps are complete. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us on this electrifying journey. This is Jeremy Vinny signing off. We'll see you on the next one.